Hello, how are you guys? Listen, it's Monday, and Monday means what? Monday means Scaventure. And so I did go Scaventure. Now, I did go to the thrift store, and I went over and I saw my friend, the lady who has the boxes of stuff, and I went by my outlet store. Let's get that one out of the way first. We'll do the outlet store. So the first thing I got in there were these big paint daubers. I thought they were just so stinking cute. So I had to get them. Because whenever Amy and I do stencils with paint, we always end up with paint under our nails and all over our fingers. So I thought these would be cute. They're just giant daubers. I thought those were cute. The other thing I got were these. There is 1,029 gems on each sheet. And I don't know, I might be carrying these in the store for like $2 or $2.50 a sheet or something like that. Very inexpensive, but they have a bunch of different colors. They've got this blue and the silver and the gold and the pink, and I think they have purple. I'm waiting for them to get green. They keep telling me they're going to get green, but, you know, they don't. So I got that. Now, this I did get at the thrift store, this one right here. And I just, you know what? They're just so stinking cute. I had to get them. These are highlights, Which Way USA state maps. So these are state maps that are designed for kids. Okay, so let me show you this. So on one side, you've got like all of the highlight pictures of like, you know, really cool stuff. And then on the other side, you have like the state map. And it shows like all the major highways and like tourist destinations, give you history and things like that. And they're just so stinking cute. So I grabbed those. I've got Hawaii, Virginia, South Carolina, Indiana, North Dakota, New Mexico, Tennessee, Louisiana, Wisconsin, Oklahoma, South Dakota, Florida, Kansas, Arkansas, Virginia, Rhode Island, another Kansas, Ohio, North Carolina, Nebraska, New Hampshire, Kentucky, Alabama, Tennessee, Michigan, another Wisconsin, South Carolina. I do not have every state. They did not have every state in the store, but I got what they had, because I thought these would just be, you know, way too cute. So I grabbed those. And then, all right, so there was a couple of things, a color box, accent, 5-sheet papers packs in there, brand new. There was 3 alpha chips. This one is quite large. There's 54 pieces in here, and these are quite large letters. Can't really measure any of them, but I'd say they're probably close to 2 to 3 inches. These are 2 inches tall, and these are like glittery letters, and they're like in a pastel color. So those are kind of cool. Brand new, in the box, unopened. They had this Susie's Zoo stationery sticker set in there. Very cute. You know, it's like some paper, and there's some envelopes in there and some little stickers as well. A couple of sheets of stickers, it looks like. They had this Jungle Babies, which is a quilt pattern, and they had some Precious Moments iron-on transfers. So I thought those were cute, you know. Now, when I go through the box, sometimes there's stuff in there that's really banged up or torn or stained or whatever, because it is a box of returns. So I pick out the best stuff for you guys, okay? These are Tim Coffee Cane Company grand adhesions. There's 2 borders in here. They're dimensionals, and there's 2 borders in each one. Very cute. And there was a couple of things of Martha Stewart, these little pieces here. Look at those. Aren't those adorable? Little Tonka trucks, right? They had these spring butterflies. And then these 2 sets here. These are Miss Elizabeth's 5-piece and 6-piece handmade foam stickers. And I just think they're stinking cute. So I grabbed those out of the box because, well, you know, we got to save the good stuff, right? All right, so some of the other things that were in there. They had some of this Marcella by Kay, which is Cane Company. You got these dimensional flowers, and they had a couple of these in there. Just cute. Love makes the world go round. A couple of sets of alphas. These have like background designs on them. I don't know if you guys can see that. There you go. Yeah, you can see them. So there's those. And then there was this one set of adhesive chipboards. 24 pieces on this one. Very cute. So I grabbed those out. Oh, let's see, what else? So lots of K & Company adhesive chipboards this time. This one is all about travel, and that was the only one there was in there. And these are chipboard and enamel pieces. And then there was this one. This one just kind of got, you know, it's shifting around. But there's what it looks like. And this one's really cute. And then there was this one, which is blue awning is what they're calling this. And then there's this one. I got a couple of those. Then there's this one. This one is called Sea Glass. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces of this. And again, these are chipboard and enamel. So I grabbed up those. Whew. So much stuff, guys. So much. All right. Then there were some K & Company stickers in there. These are dimensionals. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of these. Paradise is where you are. Bloom, the sweet life. Pretty as a picture. Sassy. Bliss. So these are in there. Those are from Brenda Walton's Grand Illusions. Then they had this one, which is blue awning, which goes with the other piece. And I think I might have another piece of this and maybe another piece of the other one. But I got those. And then they had these. There was only one of these in there and only 2 of these. And then there was a couple of these in there. It's like 3 of those. So I got all those. Stinking cute. What else was in there? This stuff was in there. So this is Sea Glass. This is K & Company. This is a tag pad. And there's like 2 of each one of 12 designs in here for the tags. And they're not the greatest cardstock. They're a little thin, but you can back this very easily. They had some of these. These are Marcella by K & Company. Make-A-Wish, Enjoy the Moment, True Friends, Friends for Life, Happiness, One of a Kind. 14 great pages in here. All different. I think there's 2 pages of each. So I got that, and then they had the alphabet sticker swatches, 775 characters in here, both upper and lowercase, in kind of this pinky, mauvey, blue and greeny kind of thing. There was 3 packs of these. These are metal. Got those. And then the Jolie's Boutique. This is a sticker collage. This one is called At the Office. So you have a little dress shirt in there. It's so cute. And a pad and a little tie and a briefcase. Very, very cute. So I grabbed those. All right, so the next thing I found in there at the bottom of the box, which this is what made the box worth it, because I'm telling you, when I first opened it, I did not think that I got my money's worth on that one. But I just didn't think there was anything in there you guys would be interested in. And then I saw these. This is Marcella by K & Company. These are called Silhouette Packs. And what this is you get 2 sheets of each of these, like, die-cut papers in here. And they're all separated by a piece of scrapbooking paper. So there's 6 sheets in there, 3 different designs. So I grabbed those. I got 1, 2, 3, 4 of those. And then there were these, Marcella by K & Company again. These are 12 designs, 36 sheets. So 3 sheets of each of these 12 designs. And you've got these 2, all of these up here. Some of these are really pretty. But I got 2 packs of this. So I grabbed those. There was this paper accessories kit, 150 pieces. You've got some chipboard in here. You've got some stickers in here, some enamels in here. Just some really cute paper. And then there were these color box sets, and I love this. Again, this is color box. Best occasions. Same kit, 2 different designers, 2 different makers, okay? Well, same maker, just 2 different suppliers. So you get 8 papers, 14 chipboard punch-outs. That's these pieces here. 31 punch outs, which is this piece back here, 117 alpha stickers, which is this one right here, and 2 3D embellishments, which are these right here. And I got 4 of those. And then there was this, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of these as well. This again, Marcel by K for K and Company. You've got your enamel stickers, you've got some die cuts, you've got some cut apart things here that you can use. And then somewhere in here, there's a whole sheet of, looks like there's a sheet of stickers. It might be this piece here is already cut apart. But 60 pieces in here. This one's called School Day. And, here's the papers. Very cute, very fun, very kid. And then this one from K & Company, Simply K pre-designed pages. This is pre-made scrapbook pages. You basically just kind of stick the pictures on it if you want, or you can use the elements for other things. It's got some metal charms in it, some really cute die cut elements, some dimensional stuff. So very cute, very versatile in what you can do with it. So I grabbed that. And then in the middle was this. We've got these before. There's some enamel alphas in here in the same color scheme, and these little enamel pieces here with like the elephant and the butterfly and the giraffe and doodlebug and bath time, and they're kind of little kitty, little boys, Then I found this. Look at this. It was a whole pad from DCWV, and there's no paper missing. It's just the where they tie it together is busted. So let's take a look. So these are single-sided sheets. They are shiny, so they have some embossment on them. A couple of different types here. You've got cowboys and pirates and the ocean and robots and the zoo and, just cute. Just cute, 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 guys. Absolutely adorable. And then there was a couple of these. These are called Daydreams from K & Company. This is designer paper. One of them is in pristine condition. The other one, again, the binding is busted on it. So let's take a look at the one with the busted binding. Is that one we can see a little better? So you've got raindrops on one side and umbrellas on the other. You've got bicycles. You've got some dots and lines here and some rainbows, some bowling pins, right? You've got these like weird patterns here, this little graph paper with guitars. You've got some submarines under the water. It's black on the back. Polka dots and swirlies and unicorns and mermaids and spaceships and just really cute, eclectic kind of mix of stuff. And then they had these designer mat pads in there. And these, oh my god, these are, first off, they are textured cardstock. They're printed on both sides. And they're just very cute muted colors on this one. It's designed for babies, but I would think you could use it for anything. They are 4 3/4 by 6 3/4 inch pages. And then they had a whole stack of these, and I had to grab them. This is actually called the Neapolitan stack. Again, 4 3/4 by 6 3/4, double-sided. How stinking cute is this? So I grabbed those. There was a couple of them that were mutilated, and I couldn't bring myself to show them to you guys because they were bad. I did get a paper cutter for the Amy because, well, she deserves a grown-up adult paper cutter. And it was good, cheap deal. I think I paid $5 for it. Some paint daubers. Bought her some lunch. I think that was it, guys. That was about all I did. Now, I am working on these Traveler's Notebook folios that I'm doing. Still kind of working out a little bit of the kinks, but, I've included date books in them. And they've got plenty of pockets. And lots of pockets and some writing paper in here. And they're just done on some really great heavyweight book cloth. So I did these. I'm going to be putting these in the shop, but I'm going to put them in the sale first. And, of course, I'm going to sell them for a little bit less than I'm going to sell them for in the store. So, you'll be seeing those probably. I did get some new lace at the thrift store. Have to look at that. And then I did get these absolutely gorgeous dimensional butterflies. And I'm not sure what I'm going to be doing with them yet, but they were just so pretty, and I couldn't resist them, and they're very three-dimensional, so I'm going to be looking to do something with those in the next couple of weeks. That's it, guys. That's all I got for you. Listen, do me a favor if you haven't done so already. Go ahead and hit that red button for me. Like me, ring my bell, and share me with all your friends, because I got stickers and books and ribbon and lots of paper and huge amounts of stickers and embellishments. And that's it. I will see you guys Thursday for a live sale, and that'll be Thursday afternoon. Thursday morning, we'll be working in our spring journal. Until then, guys, bye-bye.